Hello folks, so tonight I am gonna be doing a train spotting at Marsh Barton train station in Exeter. It is a very wet March day, so hopefully there is a trains.
No one's ever touched me like this. You made me wanna lose my innocence. Do anything for it. You know how I want it, baby, how I want it. Just the thought of you sends me wild.
So I came to do like a train spotting, but unfortunately there is no trains on the main line between Exeter and Newton Abbot. I will show you what's in use in Marsh Barton train station. So Marsh Barton train station is one of the newest stations on the network. It's opened back in July 2023 and the station is pretty awesome. It serves Marsh Barton estate and all the businesses around, so it's very good for people who work in Marsh Barton and they can just jump on a train. So I'm gonna be showing you what's in use in a train station.
Dreams, yeah, we can go all night. All this tension in the air. I never know how your touch gives me meaning. I want you there tonight, over and over till your skin.
So the station's got two platforms and see many commuter and fast trains on normal days when there is train services. The station is unstaffed, but there is all the facilities for a modern train station. I really like the new type of benches. This seems pretty cool, and they're with the colors of GWR. The station looks so eerie without trains. It's crazy. What's in use on the station? So on both of the platforms, platform 1 and platform 2, there is a nice modern shelter and ticket machine. As I said, both of the platforms are unstaffed, so there is no staff. You can find information about the train times and some other advertisement on GWR from both sides of the platforms. And as I said, like every new station, and this one, there is a ticket machine. It's nice and new. As part of the building process, they built a new footbridge as well as a new road bridge next to it. On both platform 1 and platform 2, there is a massive bike racks. So if you got a bike, you can just leave your bike and hop on a train. Well guys, after the failed attempt to do a train spotting in Marsh Barton, hope you enjoyed the little tour of the station, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my Facebook page. The link is going to be in the bio.
This is
Thank
a
you.
security message.